new journal and guide. Subscribe today.
And it's arithmetic. And when people make all these speeches about what they're going to do in the budget and don't acknowledge fundamental principles of arithmetic by suggesting that tax cuts will help reduce the deficit, you're always going to be in trouble. There are things we can do in the budget to increase jobs. Roads and bridges would be the first one, because when you build roads and bridges, as people put right to work. When you have government spending, you can increase defense spending. That will create jobs. More money in research and NIH, that's jobs. I mean, there are a lot of things you can do to create jobs. When you start cutting back in spending, the only way government can cut back in spending is fire people. Either fire them directly or don't do contracts, so the contractors have to fire the people. If you want jobs created, we know how to do it. There are tax cuts that create jobs, there are tax cuts that do not create jobs. If you give tax cuts to people who will immediately spend the money, that will create jobs. If you give tax cuts to people that will not immediately spend the money, that will not help jobs. I mean, everybody knows that dividends, capital gains, upper income tax cuts do not create jobs. Earned income tax credit and those on the bottom do create jobs. And so we know what to do, but you have to make the tough choices. It is either tax increases or spending cuts, both of which will be unpopular, but you can do it and go through the numbers. It shows you dollar for dollar how you can do it without hurting the people that need the money and helping the people that do need the money. We can increase jobs, balance the budget, and as I said, the bottom line is we get $770 billion more deficit reduction than the Republicans. We did not repeal Medicare, we didn't attack Social Security, we didn't cut WIC or anything else. We just made some tough decisions, and here's how it can be done.
This production has been brought to you by Image Entertainment.